Hey, hey, hey. Oh, what the hell is today? Wednesday. Been a long week. Racing last weekend really took it out of me. It's way too hot up there for a fat boy. So yeah, I am going to take a couple days off of working on the Model A. Work on this bad boy. 1963 Corvette. We're going to yank this pathetic little 327 out of here. It's got one cylinder, ain't got no compression, 95% leak down. So the owner wants that fixed. And the fix for that is a Blueprint Racing 383. Don't mind that intake, that's just the one I shoved on there so I could move the thing around. Yeah, pretty cool little car. And, that 383 should move the thing pretty damn good. Yeah, I'm going to get started on this thing. Well, it took a couple hours, but hasn't been too horrible. She's on her way out. Alrighty, here we are, day 2. The engine is out. So I had to swap a bunch of stuff over from the old engine to the new one. Exhaust manifolds, valve covers, intake, water pump, blah, blah, blah. I just had to run to town and get some new bolts for the valve covers because nothing that I had fit. So yeah, I'm going to drop the distributor in this thing, bolt the valve covers down, and then get ready to start putting her back. Hopefully have this thing running later today. We'll be back for that in a bit. Well, as usual, this took a couple days longer than it should have. Got stuck waiting on parts, but the old 63 is all back together. And it is a lot more fun than it was, that is for sure. I guess this thing was dynoed at 445 horse, 470 foot-pounds of torque. It's definitely got most of that. This poor thing wouldn't even spin the tires before. Well, I bet it will now. Side pipes, yeah. Put the guy's intake and valve covers and everything back on there he had on the old 327. Give it that classic look. Alright, it's been a long day. I've had enough fun. Y'all have a good one. We'll be back with some more later.